Hello everyone. Have you ever faced issues disabling two-factor authentication on Facebook? Sometimes, Facebook prompts you to re-enable it, but you might encounter a connection lost error. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing this error. To start, log into your Facebook account using a web browser like Chrome on Android. Access the desktop site by clicking the three dots at the top right and selecting Desktop Site. Navigate to facebook.com and log in. Click Enable Two-Factor Authentication, then uncheck the desktop site mode to resolve the connection error. Choose Text Message Verification for simplicity. Enter your phone number and the confirmation code. Open the Facebook app, log in, and choose Text Message Verification again. Enter the code sent to your phone and continue. To disable two-factor authentication completely, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and navigate to Password and Security. Turn off text message verification. Congratulations, you've disabled two-factor authentication on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.